Hello there. Today we are going to explain how to change the battery in SP BLE-4 fuel level sensor. First, keep your tools ready. We need a drill machine, voltage regulator, pliers, screws, and an Allen key. Take the sensor and slightly fix the screw in the glue cap with the help of a drill machine. There are 4 glue caps, so you need to fix screws in all as demonstrated in the video. Now take pliers and remove the screws along with the glue cap one by one. They come along easily with a little effort. Once all the screw caps are removed, take an Allen key and remove the screws from the holes. Finally, remove the sensor cap and you will be able to see the battery. Remove the old battery and note the positive and negative ends of the battery case. You can check the voltage of a new battery with the help of a multimeter. Set the multimeter to 20 volt and attach the negative and positive ends of the multimeter with the help of wires. You will see the voltage 3.6 volts. Moving ahead, carefully fix the battery in the battery case. Make sure to adjust the positive and negative ends of the battery according to the battery case. Place the new battery in the case. Now, take the sensor cap and fix it on the sensor head. Place the screw in the holes as demonstrated in the video. With the help of the Allen key, adjust the screws in the holes. And you have successfully changed the battery. Thank you for watching.